Okay, let's make the Path 1 page of content. Let's go ahead and open this up. We'll click Edit. If you notice, I've included a couple panels here using the CityLabs Design Plus system. If you don't want to use this, if it's too complicated, just select all of the content on this page and delete it to start fresh. If you'd like to use these expander panels, you need to open up the CityLabs Design Plus sidebar. We can do that using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Mac, you'll click Option-Shift-D. If you are on a Windows or PC, you'll click Alt-Shift-D. And this is where we can find different elements to add to our page. All right. For example, these two panels are expanders. If I wanted to add additional panels here, I'll click on the expander, and then I'll go from 2 to 3 to 4, how about 5 different panels, which will fill up with the content made by Gemini in a second. So let's get into that. Let's head over to our page of content. This looks like it is it. It's just a matter now of grabbing this title. Actually, let's grab the whole thing. By the whole thing, I mean all of this, including those discussion prompts. Let's click Copy, and how about we just paste it right here? Boom. Then we're going to start to clean it up a little bit and add that different content to those different panels throughout. So the first 2 paragraphs, it looks like, are like an introductory paragraphs here, and this looks like provisioning services. This looks like our first panel, along with an example here. So let's just cut this. We'll head down to the first panel and paste that content in there. It looks like your content is going to be dependent on the topic that you chose. For me, this is going to be called provisioning services. There we go. Let's clean it up just a little bit. Boom. Okay. And it's just a matter now of cutting and then pasting this different information into those panels. I'll meet you back here in a couple moments to go over the rest of it. Okay, just putting the last finishing touches here on this page of content. I put all of those different sections here into their appropriate panels, along with those discussion prompts. Let's click Save at the very bottom, and we'll take a look at what our page of content looks like. Now, if I wanted to, I can add an additional image here that goes along with it, but this is looking pretty good here. Those panels holding some of the content here and really helping keep the page nice and clean.